Hands here, okay?
You want that? Okay, we will buy that. Si Isha, may nakitang guitar section dito. Hello guys, good morning! Isha is eating her breakfast. I'm there in the mirror. Can you see me? Pasensya na, magulo ulit ang bahay as always. Oh, she wants to look at herself kaya pumunta siya sa harap. Today is a Saturday. Tama ko nung. Ay, ayusin muna natin mukha natin para gusto niyo naman manood ng vlog namin. Today is a Saturday and si Isha walang pasok today. Kasi socks please. Why? You're already wearing socks, Papa. Why are you asking for socks? Oh, you want to eat? Wait lang. Walang pasok si Isha today because yun ang gundo. Sa month of June, every month kasi 23 days lang ang approved ng government, ng Sapporo government kay Isha. Or usually ganun, 23 days per child in a month. Tapos yung 23 days, pwedeng isakop niya yung Monday to Saturday, walang Sunday. Ngayong June, month of June, parang abot ng 25 days, including from Monday to Saturday, parang nag-overlap ba. So, kailangan siya mag-yasumi or mag-off ng 2 days. At pinili namin, of course, ang Saturday kasi nandito kami ni Daddy. Last Saturday and this Saturday, ang pinili namin na off ni Isha. Yung school ni Isha, sabi ay magdala daw siya ng swimsuit or any swimming attire kasi recently mainit na summer kaya nagsiswimming sila kaya pinapadala siya ng diaper, swimming attire at mga swimming toys. Nakabili na kami ng diaper, grabe ang mahal, 3 piraso, nasa 400 yen. Tingnan, kukunin ko ito. Nabili namin sa Sapporo drugstore, 400 yen plus, parang abot na malapit na mag 500. Tapos 3 pieces lang. Yeah. Pinadala namin isang pack lang muna. Tapos, yung swimming attire, pinapahiram muna si Isha kasi wala nga kaming dala. Hindi naman namin na-expect na may pa-swimming pala ang school niya. Kaya, bibili kami ngayon. May sinadjust ang aking JTE na Nishi Matsuya, parang clothing store for kids or anything about kids. So, try namin puntahan or kung hindi, pwede namang mag 2nd Street. Kung baka may mga magaganda din doon or ewan kung saan kami mapunta. Ayun. Ay, ang pangit ko talaga. Hindi kaya sa akin may bangs. Gusto kong mag-bangs eh. This one. Dati hindi bagay sa akin. Ngayon kaya bagay pa. Hindi pa rin bagay. Basta feeling ko, basta pango ang ilong, hindi bagay mag-bangs. Put it there, Isha. Sige na. It will be dirty if you won't put it there. Onegaishimasu. Okay. Mommy, help. Ay. Hindi ko talaga mag-gets siya, Wiwi. You want to put this plastic first. Okay. But you know what? It's easier if you put this picture first in the plastic. What's our motto, Daddy? What's our motto for Isha? Let her
Do her thing.
Let her do her thing. Otherwise, 1 hour tantrums.
1 hour oil.
10 minutes. It depends on the capacity, on the intensity. Oh, siya. Our motto in life is let her do her thing. For as long as we guide her and it's safe for her, we let her do her thing.
Bye-bye.
Ano bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
What's bye-bye? Like this, baby. Like this. Kochi. Ah. Waki waki. Oh, so good. Oh, down. Down. Oh, very good, Isha. Chigi. Next, Chigi. Okay. Play muna ang dalawa.
Sen, Waki.
Hold. Gucci. Hands here, okay? Hands.
Hello! Aalis kami sa wakas, nakapag-desisyon.
Let's go.
Pupunta lang kami sa aming favorite recycle shop. Maghanap kami ng mga
Let's go.
pwedeng mabili. Char! Hindi mabili. May kailangan bilhin namin. Kung meron doon. Kung wala, lilipat kami sa 2nd Street. Siyempre, doon tayo sa mura. Kasi yun lang naman ang afford. And here's Isha. Wow! Hi, pretty! Look at her hair. It's very long, oh. Very long
Let's
hair.
go.
Yeah, let's go. Hindi lang halata.
Shaki.
Kasi syempre nag-curl.
Shaki.
What's Shaki?
Shaki.
Ha? A jacket? Jacket? No, Shao. You don't need to wear a jacket because it's very hot. Yan, oh. Ang haba na ng hair niya. Kung... Ay, hirap naman. Kung, ano ba yun? Ayan, kung basa to, hanggang dito na yan, oh. Pero dahil kulot, nag-curl na siya, ganyan lang siya, hanggang dito lang. It's very hot. It's init man, di. Kani man. Oo. Kani, ito lang, well. Jacket pala. Sorry siya, hindi ko naintindihan. Shake. I can hear sake. I'm going sake. You know, sake is Japanese alcohol. Oh, wait. Para kang crow, ha? Oh, dali. Si Daddy kinukuha ang aming bike. Yan. Sa akin nasa loob, nahirapan akong kunin. Kaya si Daddy na ang kukuha. Kasi may bike na natumba. Hindi kami natumba yan. Baka hinangin. Yan, oh. Sikip kasi ng bike parking. Tapos ang daming may bike dito. Ilan yan? Ilang bike yan ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Tapos meron pa akong nakikita na wala dito ngayon. Siguro mga nasa 10 din to na bike. Tapos ganyan lang kaliit lang. Puro yan tenants ng apartment building. Ang apartment namin may 12 rooms. O, 3 kada floor. Tapos 4 na floor. 12 rooms. So, bawat room siguro halos merong bike. Kabilang 2 na. Yan sa akin, si Yellow Bumblebee. Arigato, Daddy. It's really so hot, Daddy. Bala ka. Isha, wag Isha.
Mommy, stay here, Mommy.
How can I? Sige, guys. Mag-bike muna kami pa 2nd Street. Arigato. Okay, let's go. Bye-bye. See ya sa 2nd Street. Bye. Here na sa 2nd Street. Let's enter. Nobody's here, ni. Nagay.
How would you?
Wow, let's look. Ay, choto. No. Just here. Isha, no. Kuchi. Ay, naku. Yan naman ang makulit. Isha, no. Magagayat si Daddy, ha? No. Isha, no, baby. Kakapasok lang natin. Ganyan ka na. Iuwi na tayo. Let's go home. Why are you acting like that? Take off your jacket. It's so hot. Take off. Ganyan ang bata. May gusto na namang gawin. Ganyan lang. Ganyan lang gusto niya. Let's go, Isha.
Let's go.
Naog ko? Kaya para mo naog siya? Sige. Bye-bye, Isha. Ta, let's go. Let's go. Bye-bye. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, Isha, oh. Si Isha, may nakitang guitar section dito. Ayan, oh, tinitingnan niya. Ang dami. Kaso pang adult naman to. Hindi naman to pang baby siya. So, sorry. May guitar section pala dito. First time ko makita dito sa 2nd Street. Dito naman sa toy section ang bata. Ayan, oh. Daming toys. Puro toys tong section na to. Ayan, ito binitbit niya. 200 lang naman. Puzzle, bilhin na lang namin. Kasi very good naman na. Kanina hindi very good. Ngayon very good na ang baby namin. Ayan, oh. 3,000. May ganito si Isha. Ganto yung sa amin. 3,900. So, 3,900 for 2. Bale, 4,000 bilhin namin ito. Diba? Anpanman. Isa. You want that? Okay, we will buy that. It's how much? It's how much? 200 yen. Okay, we will buy that for you. Na, Daddy. Nice ni.
200 rupo.
Okay na. Okay na.
Ito ka na. Kana.
O, pwede na pang pares.
Kani ka okay ni? Okay ni?
Okay kayo? Kana. Okay na.
Kasi po ito sa guitar mo.
Sige, ako sa pasun kay gasuri-suri yung anak murag mao. Anpanman. Ha? Dawa nga to is puro anpanman. All anpanman, okay. Busy pa ang daddy pamili eh. Ayan, nakabayad na kami. Pinapak na ni daddy. Anong pinapak? Nilalagay na ni daddy sa aming eco bag. Nakamagkano ka daddy? 225. 225? 50? 25? 50? Ayan, tatlong damit, 2 shorts, tapos may helmet pa, tapos may toy pa si Isha at puzzle. Happy na ang baba. Sa kanya yan lahat, walang sa amin. Hey, arigato daw. Arigato daw, Osi. Very good. You're welcome, Baba. Ha? Let's go. Uta.
Ano nagkuhan ba?
Hello. Hi guys. Nandito kami sa park before kami uuwi. Kain muna kami dito at mag-slide siguro si Isha saglit. Bumili lang kami sa supermarket ng Calpis, our favorite. Calpis. And 3 tinapay, tag-isa kami. Para siyang food.
Yummy?
Yes, of course.
Yummy?
Of course. I chose this so it's yummy. Of
Yummy.
course. Mochiron.
Yummy?
Yeah. Very good. Huh?
Kasi.
Kaka? Wait na. Ba? Perfect.
Sige, pare-pa na nato sa keto.
This is so good.
Di mo na yun ako yakusho may kyakusho mo na yun.
Kyakusho?
I did that so weak.
Dali.
Syakusho di ay.
That's so weak.
Oh, chawi.
I did that so weak.
Okay, des.
Let's go.
Yay! Look at yourself. Wow! Isha has a new helmet for only 300 yen, 100 pesos. Diba? Nice. Ayan. Diba? Kampante na rin kami. Safety first talaga. O san, where are you going? You have a plan? No, we don't have time anymore. May tira pa oh. Amazing. How are you, Daddy?
I'm fine.
Deserve naman ni Isha, no? Kasi may allowance naman si Isha na ginastos ni Mommy at Daddy. Uwi na kami. Yun lang, wala namang magandang makikita sa bahay. So, yun lang muna ang video for today. Ayun, tumakbo na naman. Huh? Ano ba namang i-expect mo? Hindi, tatakbo talaga yan, Daddy. Yan lang for today's video. I hope you will watch our next one. Very short and simple. Pinakita ko lang kung anong mga mabibili sa Second Street na mga murang bagay-bagay. Bye! See ya!